7.
You go in there and you're just going to pluck the entire breast. You don't have to pluck the full bullet here.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are back at it again. It is 6:53. We woke up at
4:37. I may have snoozed it once or twice.
Yeah, had breakfast at 5:30. Had some donuts and coffee.
Yeah.
So that means I had nothing, and now I can have my night. But we're out here again, day 2, Stewards of the Wild statewide dove hunt in Albany, Texas. Even though
this morning it's 64 degrees and I love it.
we're not in Albany right now, we're somewhere between Albany and Abilene, but everybody's out getting to their spots, getting set up. We're doing the same, getting everything unloaded. We hope y'all enjoyed everything from yesterday and have stuck around to watch this section. So we're gonna try and knock down some more birds today, have a good time. Megan's gonna take some more badass pictures. By the time you see this video, I'm sure we've already posted some. So
Bar MC Media.
Facebook and Instagram. There goes one right there.
And this is actually proving to be one of the best little things we've ever invested in.
We dig it. So we're gonna finish getting set up, looking at these birds fly over us, and y'all stay tuned. Well, I didn't hit the record button, but as usual, Megan gets the first bird of the morning. We're rolling.
Thank you.
What's up with you and getting the first bird all the time?
That's the third hunt this season and I've got the first bird every time.
Yeah, just hand you the gun first.
Who is that? Who knows your name? Right here. Oh, he's right in front of you.
You had me looking at that one. I should have shot that one.
Well, he didn't pop up.
You got me trying to figure out people's names. I'm trying to look at the dude, see what kind of vehicle he's driving.
Oh, no. Pay attention.
Look, you watch that way. Okay. I'm watching over the top.
Oh. Don't jump when they shoot. My God.
I wasn't. I was trying to get ready.
You totally jumped. What? Right here. Wait. I guess what I was meaning is like keep looking over here. I'll tell you if there's one that's coming.
That's what I thought you were doing.
I did. Okay.
Might I add, it feels delicious this morning.
It does. Scrumptious.
This is the weather that I like. Well, missed another one. Storage was full. We got it fixed though.
That one's not in good shape. We got one breath out of this one.
Birds back. They turned.
Of course they did.
They knew better. They knew better.
Again.
Above it.
Yep, up. I hear him.
Headed over there.
Meow. Right here, babe. They're coming. They're coming.
Yep.
Come on, get him. There we go. Woo!
Behind you, Paul. Above you, above you, above you. Behind you.
Right here, baby.
Bert.
Coming over, coming over. Tracked him?
Yeah.
This sucks.
We need a dog. Huh? We need a dog. You look cool though. Grab the long lens bag because these are cool pictures.
I saw that. I totally thought I was laughing. You're freaking fat. I know, man.
Good?
Yeah.
Number 3. Look at that one's a clean kill.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the other one. Yeah, you gotta get on them really fast if they're going away. Ah.
Oh my gosh.
He landed right there. He had to shoot him out the tree. He did.
He took off. Nope. He's on the other side.
Oh!
Oh, shit. Nice.
Track him.
This is on mission.
Hey, you found him.
I was on it.
You found him.
Wait.
I told the guy, I was like, he ain't looking off that bird.
I saw that one coming up. I didn't want to shoot that one.
Ooh, that one didn't stand a chance.
Right. Oh. Sorry.
Red.
The noises that we make are so funny. Right. Oh, hey.
There you go.
There ain't no chance. If they're in front of us truck, they're dead.
There you go.
That's not a bird. That's not a bird.
No.
That is a bird, but
It
it's
is
not
a bird, not a dove.
That's not a bird.
Right here.
Oh my God. It's gonna break off. Here. Eee.
More.
Oh,
Damn it. Oh wow, that was crazy. He took a nosedive and then flew off. Ah, God, dang my shoulder. I can't go to Argentina like that.
no, you sure can't.
I'm gonna shoot a 20 gauge in Argentina. I could probably start shooting 20 gauge now. That's pretty good. I might
Trash bags over there.
get one. Save my shoulder. God dang. Oh, Remington is heavy. I'm just being a wuss, guys.
Oh, On top. Need some more shells. So while Megs was gone taking pictures, I went on a little bit of a tear, and you got 15 birds now. We're gonna try and get a few more. There we go. Back in it to win it, baby. Back in it to win it. Here we go, catch him. We're coming in all the way. Right here, right here. Bust him. He's coming down. Hurry.
You're on. It was right on that line. Maybe a touch further.
Look to your left. Look to your left a little bit.
I think if you go like, take a hook left.
Yeah. Got him. A little bit of a hunt. Far shot though. Good shot.
All right, guys, that wraps up day 2. Our morning hunt was just as successful, if not more successful,
For sure.
than the afternoon hunt yesterday.
Yeah.
Brandon obviously got into it.
A little bit.
You even have some on your
Outfit of the day.
listos.
Yep. Agent's got some blood. Listo's
Everything's
got some blood. Burlo, Poncho. Everybody. We're killing birds out here. Had to
Got
do a
some-
little work while she was gone.
Yeah, I got some great photos for Stewards of the Wild. And now we're gonna clean our birds. So
Appreciate y'all watching the video.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe. Everybody that gave us a shout out this weekend for watching the previous
we
year's
appreciate
video.
that.
Thank you so much for
Yeah.
watching. Hopefully you're watching this year's video as well. Share it with a friend, and we'll catch y'all next time.